What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace your pollen filter in your Vauxhall Mokka. This is the old shape Mokka, and just in case you're wondering, this is the pollen filter I'll be using. If you want the part numbers, just pause the video. Thankfully this is a super easy pollen filter to do. First thing we're going to do is come over to the passenger side and open the door. And the pollen filter on these is actually located behind the glove box. So first thing we're going to do is open the glove box. If you take a look to the left hand side of the glove box, you'll see this little strut here. Just give it a gentle push to the right and it should pop off the stud holding it on, and then it's just a case of bending carefully the sides of the glove box inwards and allowing it to flop down. You'll notice on the strut there's two little holes. When we put it back together, the stud goes on the lower hole. Right, now for the pollen filter, there's this little cabin cover here, which is opened by pushing in the two tabs on the side and then lifting it upwards. And there's your pollen filter. You can just pull it out, taking note of which way the airflow is, and then get the new one, put it in and reverse the process. It's really that simple. When you've put the new filter in, just make sure that the tabs click back into place to indicate that the door is shut. And then the next thing we need to do is attach this strut back up there. Again, the plastic stud goes in the lower hole. I can't actually do this with one hand, so I'm going to have to put the camera down and put it on, but I shall show you what it looks like once it's on. There you go, that's the strut on. You can see it's on the lower hole. Once you've put that back on, it's just a case of pushing the door back shut, and that's all done. Thanks for watching guys. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.